Skoda 120 was a small family car based on the earlier S100 model, essentially a facelifted progression that stayed in production from 1976 till 1990. Badged as the Estelle in the UK, it was the cheapest new car available on the market. Rugged and robust in design to be able to survive the poor quality roads of Soviet-dominated Central and Eastern Europe and the harsh weather of these areas. This example is fitted with a 1174cc 49 brake horsepower engine, powered through a 5-speed manual transmission. The simplicity of these cars, with the design to be able to be fixed on the side of the road, and a driving experience like few others. These cars are fun to drive and in recent years have become great collector's pieces and a good investment.